Welcome back, everyone. Do you remember last week when I told you that as soon as AI advances, we will be able to create better book covers for your books? Well, AI just got better, and we have now added that functionality to our books where now you can create unbelievable book covers regardless whether you've used our platform before or created books using our platform. For those who don't already know, we are generate.net, and we allow you to create entire books, whether it's children books, coloring books, regular books, multiple short story writer, whatever it is, you name it, we have it. But in this specific video, I'm going to be focusing on the AI book cover creator, which is underneath book category in our app section. And basically what we've managed to achieve is something unbelievable. We've managed to create an app that creates a book cover for you, which is in accordance with the style necessary for that specific book. Let me show you how it works. You enter the name of your book over here. Then you click on this magic wand, or you can type a style over here. Then you click add using AI. At that point, AI will create a text for your book, which is actually made in an artistic way. This text here was created entirely by AI in one click, just by pressing this button here. And as you can see, the A here is being used for both words, angry and Andrew, which is entirely artistic. Let's move on to another example just to show you the next example, what AI managed to do. In this one, we typed Jumping Pause, which is the name of the book, as you can see over here. And if you select a book that you created using our app, all the images from inside the book will pop up over here. Then you click on any of them, and then they will be applied to here, and then you can start creating your title. Then I clicked on the magic wand and it chose this kind of design because the AI thought this would be appropriate for this kind of book. Then I added it over here, just like that. And you can see how appropriate the title is to the book. Let's move on to the next example. In this example, the book is called The Joy of Helping. These are all the images from inside the book. I picked one of them, and then I clicked on this magic wand and it typed casual serif rounded. I don't even know what this means necessarily, and I don't even know what this means. I mean, I do know what it means, I just don't know what it means when it comes to text. But this was the result, and this was applied to this image here. If you want to download just the PNG file, which is backgroundless, you just click on this and it will instantly download this file only, which you can then use on your specific design. But before you leave this video, let me show you how you could actually use it directly on your design without even making a book on our site. So let's move on to the next page. Over here we had Loma Hated Losing. In this book as well, I selected one of the books I created, selected an image, and then clicked on add using that. We clicked on the magic wand icon, and this is what we got, and this is the result. Okay, let's move on. And now I'm going to show you how it's done exactly. We're going to do one live right now. The truth is, it did take 1 or 2 tries, not necessarily that much more. So in this example, we're going to use the book called Jumping Pause. And I select it from the drop-down menu, and I will find all my books in this drop-down menu. And you can select any of these images for the front cover. A good front cover image will have a nice, clean background so that the text won't really be visible through it. So I could choose this one. Or I could choose this one. Or I could choose this one as well. It's just going to be harder to work with because there's a lot of dynamic imagery here. So let's go with this. So as you can see, I'm going to click this magic wand and you're going to see that it will create a style for me. So as you can see, it's chosen again playful, cursive, and whimsical. I don't necessarily understand these words. But when I click add using AI, what's going to happen? It's going to initiate the process. Now, this is a 5-credit procedures. Credits are quite cheap actually using the more you buy, the less you pay for credits. So I recommend buying a lot of credits, especially if you're going to be using this tool. Now this is going to make you look ultra professional. Now it's true that AI sometimes still gets the text wrong, but I'm telling you that over time this app is going to get better and better and going to create better and better book covers for you. But let's see what it comes up with live right now. So have a look at this unbelievable book cover. Let's make sure there's no spelling mistakes. Fantastic. And if you can see, this is absolutely unbelievable because it's put the paw of a dog on the cover. Now, there's just one issue with this image. First of all, it doesn't fit so well, and also it has these white dots inside the text. Now, I've explained in a previous video, and I'll explain it again. To fix this, you click on Add a Rectangle over here. You put a rectangle behind the text. Then you send it backwards. Then you change the color to white so that there's white color behind the text. And that kind of solves that problem. So this would be the cover image of a book called Jumping Paws. Isn't that fantastic? Then you click download this cover image, and this file is a JPEG, can be used directly on Amazon KDP in the cover section. Let me show you. Jumping Paws. So here's the file that's complete. Fantastic. This was made live with you right now. I didn't know this could come up. I didn't know that the AI would impress us this much with this paw. Let's move on to the next example. This is where I'm uploading an image of my own from a book I created. And it's going to be called, this is the book cover image, which was also generated using our site. And this image here is going to be, the book is going to be called The Climber. So I'll type The Climber here. And then I'll click the magic wand and see, here we go, bold, brushed and silver. Let's add this using AI. Let's hope that this actually creates text that makes sense. I can see that there's a bit of an issue where the canvas hasn't grown to the size of the book and it's become square. Now this is not what we want. We want this to be rectangular. So I'm gonna probably get someone to fix this as soon as possible. So as you can see, this is not good because this has two eyes and it doesn't say The Climber. So what we're gonna do is click the trash button here and that will delete it. And then we'll click add using AI again, and hopefully this time the AI will get it right and put the word The Climber instead of just the word climber. But of course this can take 3 or 4 tries, so make sure you have enough credits to do this and that you're willing to invest credits to do this. This is just going to make you look more professional. As we saw at the beginning of this video, the kind of results you can expect are this, and of course this, as you watched me do just earlier on. Here we go. So we've got a bit of a better result. The Climber has been written. However, there's a little bit of a weird thing here. I'm not sure if you mind it. I personally mind it. So what I would do, I would trash that and click add using AI again. Give this as many goes as you need to get it right because you do want to look professional. People judge books by covers even though they shouldn't. Thank you for watching this video. Let's just wait for this to finish. While we're waiting, I just want to show you we are generate.net, spelled like this. To use any of our apps, you click select an app. Then you have text apps, you have imaging apps, all the regular imaging apps that you could think of. We have book creation tools, all the different type of book creation. This is a comic book creator. This is a regular children's book creator, coloring book maker, regular book maker, and many, many more apps. Thank you for watching this video and bye for now. Let's see if it's working. Fantastic. It finally worked. And as you can see, there's a bit of white here. So of course, I'm going to add a white rectangle behind it, and that should solve that problem for us here and send it back as I explained earlier. Fantastic. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you give a like and subscribe to never miss any of these amazing new advances to our tools, and bye for now.